What's going on YouTube? It's Scooter. We're headed to Hot Rod Power Tour 2025. If you don't know much about this show, it's a traveling car and truck show that goes through different cities and different states every day. This year it starts in Indianapolis, Indiana, and ends in Norwalk, Ohio. We left central Louisiana about 5:30 this morning, and we'll be getting there about 7 o'clock this evening. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, share, and comment because it'll help me as a smaller channel. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Well, we decided to stop in Memphis, Tennessee. We decided to eat at Cookout because ain't neither one of us ever eat it. We got about, GPS says 5 hours and 53 minutes left. So yeah, we're continuing on to Indianapolis. So we made it to Indy last night. We went and got us a bite to eat. We ended up coming back to the room, and pretty much everybody fell asleep. So we got a good night rest. We're going to eat some Waffle House this morning, and then we're going to go check out our credentials for the show starting tomorrow. So stay tuned. So we're here picking up our credentials, and already look at this line behind us, guys.
Rhode Island, Georgia.
I was there.
No, that's everybody. I think we got a picture. Like 20 minutes before it finally locked up.
Yeah, wagons are getting badly. It's just so sweet, bro.
I don't know what he's gonna talk about like that.
I heard you pulling up. It sounded like you had a few little add-ons with it.
Not much yet. It's mainly stock.
Hey.
It's his truck, so.
What is it?
It ain't clapped out like most of them.
Oh my goodness.
Nice.
Yes, indeed. Where'd you score the seat from?
Actually, a guy in Illinois did that for me.
Okay. Oh, dude, that truck's beautiful. It's just a 572.
Nothing crazy.
Just a 572.
Normal Volkswagen.
Yeah, normal Volkswagen motor.
This one has sharp buttons.
That's what? We did too. Yeah.
Become a favorite of the drivers, crews, and fans alike. In 1952, the addition of aerodynamic wings to their car, boosting speed by a whopping 20 miles an hour. In 1976, the vintage jury qualified to win by 6/100ths of a second. At the time, it was the closest finish ever at Indianapolis. But a younger practice driver Nelly would
for the presentation of colors, invocation, and a moment of reflection for those who've given their lives unselfishly to defend our freedom.
One of my favorite things though is that patriotism you see before this race. If you don't stand up through those opening ceremonies and
that Lucas Oil car is sweet looking.
Look at this thing.
Johnny Lightning?
Yep.
Pagano said to me before the race, I'm going to be on a tack boat all day. You are definitely the fastest car in the open.
Excuse me, sir. Thank you. All right, you guys, tomorrow is the first day of Hot Rod Power Tour 2025. Today we woke up and just kind of chilled out around the city and checked out a few things. We wanted to get some breakfast this morning, so we went and ate breakfast. Went and got some Waffle House. We left there and went over to the drag strip and went ahead and got our credentials, got everything set up for the power tour. And while we was there, we went ahead and picked up some merch. And we left there and went over to the Indianapolis Speedway Museum. And I must say that if you have never been there and you're in the area, you really need to go check that place out. They have some really, really cool displays. We went by a place today called the Garage. It's kind of a huge building that is full of like different restaurants and stuff. The food I got was excellent. Then we played some mini golf and we tried some Steak and Shake after that. So we're getting ready for the power tour tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, share, and comment because it helps me as a smaller channel. And be sure to hug somebody and tell them you love them. Peace.